Hello everyone, I am an engineer and now I will report an incident that occurred at my workshop on the 20th of June at 13:20. An equipment fault occurred in assembly shop number 10 involving a cordless drill of the brand Vivo. During operation, a trainee used a drill bit that were not suitable for the material being processed. As a result, the drill bit got stuck in the material and eventually broke, causing disruption to the work. The main cause of the incident was that the trainee didn't follow the manual instruction before using the machine. I think to prevent similar problem in the future, it is recommended that trainee carefully read and follow on instruction before operating equipment. At additionally, the company should organize safety training course for new employees to ensure proper use of tool and machinery. That's all. Thank you for listening.